Welcome to the MindTalk Podcast, where we delve into the roots of dis-ease, growing deep in the subconscious mind. I am your host, Diane Vanas, with over 25 years in energy medicine. This is for the person who's already done the journaling. This is for the one who's read the books, said the affirmations, tried to change. It's not your self-discipline to change that's broken. It's your self-definition, your identity. Let me explain. Which you read the books and said the affirmations? Which you has shown up today? The version of you listening and watching right now is not the real you. The version of you that wakes up each morning with a name, a personality, a past, a set of beliefs, has been running your life. The version of you, the one you're familiar with, is actually running on autopilot, responding to life through layers of outdated programming. It's a default operating system, a mental construct of memories, labels, and patterns created before you could even speak. What you call your personality is a system of conditioned responses and scripts. No wonder you keep slipping back into the same invisible walls. They look like this is just the way I am. Brick by brick, those walls were built without your conscious awareness to create your personality or personal reality. Your subconscious mind created identity loops that keep pulling you back to the version of yourself that matches your past, even though you try something new. An identity was layered onto you like digital code. Self-definitions downloaded into your mind through language, repetition, reward and punishment, emotion, expectation, from the outside in. You didn't choose who you became. You adapted to survive, to belong, and to be loved. You mirrored, mimicked, and absorbed until you started believing the story. Your self-concept becomes the blueprint your brain references before every decision, every reaction, every interpretation of reality, every day. Subconscious mind is responsible for 95% of your daily behavior. It loves patterns and creates loops. Trying to change your life without changing your identity doesn't work. Your default operating system will drag you back into alignment with your old version. To the subconscious mind, familiar equals safe. Safety is prioritized over progress. Most people never update their programming until they see the original script that's running the show. Don't protect your identity. Examine it and strip it down to its source code, because only then can you rebuild it as a conscious creation. No, you are not your thoughts. You are not your past. You are not your habits. You are not your family's expectations. You are not the story that society assigned you. You are the observer, and if you can observe it, you can change it. Expose it. Bring what's automatic into awareness. Your current identity is not your fault. Between the ages of 0 and 7, before you could even reason, your environment, culture, childhood, language created your identity, locked into a predictable loop by the subconscious mind as a survival mechanism. So your current identity is not your fault, but your future identity is your responsibility. We have tools to decode the story, removing everything that was never you to begin with. Choose freedom. Break the identity loop.